Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this amazing defined moisturized braid out. Starting off on super dry hair, I just washed and conditioned my hair. This is what my hair looks like, super dry with no product in it. Going in with Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. And since my hair is super dry and I want a little bit more than water, I'm going to use this leave-in to make my hair more manageable so that I can part it. Since my hair is very dry, I have to do this very gently so that I don't cause any breakage or tangles. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite, the Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter. You guys seen this on my channel a million times. I love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. My hair loves this stuff. It leaves it super shiny and moisturized. The key to any style when it comes to definition and unison is detangling. Detangling is key. This will give you your best style, so make sure that you detangle your hair thoroughly. After that, I go ahead and braid my hair. So when I get to the end of my braids, I always start twisting. You'll see why during the takedown. I twirl the ends and then I always bantu knot the ends. That gives me a really nice curl at the end. It is the next day. My braids are super shiny and moisturized, as you can see. As I unravel, this is the most important step. Gently dig into the braid so that I can separate the three parts. You don't want to dig at the braid too much because then it'll cause frizz. Once I find the three clean strands, I just pull them apart. And I'm being very careful with my hair because any mistake that I make at this point will cause a lot of frizz, and I do not want that. So just be very gentle during your takedown. That definition is perfect. It's exactly what I want. The shine is everything. It's fluffy and defined at the same time, and that's exactly what I wanted. And before someone comments saying how long does it really last, it lasted me 3 to 4 days before I threw it in a puff. My hair looks so bomb. You can use my promo code Gloria Ann for 15% off at unclefunkysdaughter.com. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!